Hey, hello friends, how are you? I'm welcome back to a new fresh video in my channel, and I hope you guys all are well. And in this video I'm sure of that you are aware of the thumbnail that why I'm making this video today. In this particular video I'm going to show you the Call of Duty gaming test on my Xiaomi Mi A3, the device which I have make a separately unboxing video, and the PUBG mobile gaming test video. If anyone interested to watch this video, I'll be giving the link in the description as well as the I button. Go and check it out, the two videos from there if anyone interested to know about that. So hi there, you are watching Tech UTuber, so don't wasting time, we'll go straight in the video. Hi friends, let me start today's video. Let me show you the battery percentage over the Xiaomi Mi A3, and then let's start the game Call of Duty. So I've already pressed the start button, so the game is on the way of starting. So let's wait for some time. As the game starts, we go on as playing. But before that, I have to say you something like in every videos in the gameplay like PUBG and so on, I have separately said the specifications of that particular device, but not in this video. So if anyone interested, I was saying that I've shown the specification of all the things in the last of the videos like PUBG and unboxing. So I've not repeatedly used that in this video. So interested one, go and watch the video from the I button, and also I will giving the link in the description below as I have said before. So as you see that the game has already been started, so let's focus on this game. So let me volume up this device and making this full device. Let me set up some processes as I've playing this game for the first time. Let me make some options as well to play the game more simply. So I have done all the things, so let's start again. So as of we are started the game, battery percentage was on 77%, and we have already started the game. So let's see after the play of the game what the battery issues or battery percentage will be. Any heating issues or like something, I will be informed to you at the end of the game. So let's focus on the game and enjoy the game. I really don't know about this because really playing this game for the first time, Call of Duty. Just for show you guys the graphics and as well all the things.
We tied for the lead.
Yeah, pretty good with the graphics and so on. Sound is also very clear, and this sound is obviously very clear. I'm so impressed with the sound, but yes, also graphics is. It is very responsive as well.
Changing back, cover me. UAV recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Hunter killer drone ready for deployment.
The screen comes with a HD resolution, not with the full HD resolution, but with a decent performance. I would say that that is well fitted with this Xiaomi Mi A3. It's looking great with the Call of Duty game.
Predator missile inbound.
last few days I was very sick. That is the reason why I was not uploading any video. So expecting that from today I'll be uploading videos. Try to upload videos regularly. So be with my channel. Thank you so much again for this 1K subscribers, and that is the reason why I'll be giving away a small product as much as possible from myself. So that will be in the maybe in the next video or the next of the next video. So yes, I've tried to make the giveaway as genuine as possible from my side, because that is the reason why I'm taking so much time that to give away this product, because I'm announcing this giveaway from the last of the 2 videos. So it's making difficult quite to make the giveaway genuine for yourself. I know that if the giveaways will be not genuine, so the real fun to have the giveaways is not there as well. So that is the reason why I've tried a lot of things, lot of stuffs for my giveaways. So yes, we are about to be 2K family. So thank you so much for your support. This very good performance with this Call of Duty gaming. This semi-AC. Last of the 3 months I'm using this device. This is not having any kind of issues. Yes, such a good phone with this price range. The gameplay is about to finish. I would say only few things, that the performance is obviously very good, and the sound quality as well, and with the screen ratio, with the screen HD ratio, that is a really very good experience with this MIA3 Call of Duty game. So thank you so much for watching this video. Yeah, obviously a very good time I spent with this device. If anyone interested to watch the camera test with this device, let me know in the comment section, because it has a great camera, I would say, and AI system with this device is very good. And if anyone interested to watch the camera performance with this MIA3, please let me know in the comment section below, or any query about this video, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to make them solve for you guys. So till this video.
So thanks for watching this video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notification all of my videos. And most importantly, if you have any query, let me know in the comment section below by writing down your comment, and I will definitely try to make this question answered as per my capability. And let me know in the comment section below that what videos are you expecting from the next. So I will definitely try to make this video as per my capability. See you at the end of the day. We are YouTubers are making the videos for you subscribers, so you are the most important person in our the reason of while we are making these videos. So let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely try to make more better concepts about the videos, more better videos for you guys. So thanks for watching. Be happy and have a nice day.